Okay, so the perfect combination, dual booting Linux and Windows on the same machine. Okay, that's great. But what about if you took your old machine that you upgraded to Windows 11 and now you've got a spare computer? Well, install Linux on it. That's right. Take your Windows 10 computer and install Linux Mint. That's what I've done. And it's given me so much more flexibility. If I've got a link that I'm not really comfortable with loading into the Windows machine, I can open it with Linux, examine it, see if it's got, anything suspicious, if it's downloading my activity and so forth. A lot of the apps that you install now, you want to put under the microscope and take a look at them. Make sure that they're not doing a disservice for you instead of helping you out, being, oh gosh, this is great. I was listening to a Kim Commando show, and I went to the internet and Google said, oh, download this app and then you can listen on this. And I went, wait a minute, what if I download this app and put it on my machine? What are they going to? And then I started reading the guidelines, and it was going to download personal information, my email address, all kinds of stuff that I didn't really think that listening to a radio show needed to have. Okay? So take a look at the perfect combination and keep in mind that you can have two workstations. You can see right over my shoulder, there's the other one with dual monitors. And bazinga, you're sitting in the captain's seat of a great environment, and let's hope that that works for you. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content, and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.